Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Miss Toto. So today's video is of course about my hair. Do I look any different? Of course I do. So if you watch my last video, I was talking about preparing my hair for a protective hairstyle, and I didn't know which direction I wanted to go, whether it was knotless braids, goddess locks, or a crochet hairstyle. So what was easiest for me was to do a crochet hairstyle. I was really digging and loving to try knotless braids on myself, but I didn't have the time, and it was the same way with the goddess locks, but I still love the look of the locks. So yeah, so these are 12-inch boho locks. I don't know if it's Gypsy, I don't know if it was boho Gypsy or just boho, but like I said, I found this at my local beauty supply store. It's 3 packs of hair, and I used all 3 packs. 36 of these locks came in each pack, so I used however many, count that, I think it's like 108 or something like that. But yeah, I used all of those, and I actually could have put some more in, but I think it filled out very nice. You can't tell, you can't see any missing spots or anything in my hair. It filled my hair up really nice, and the more I put it in, the more I loved it. You guys know that I love the color burgundy. If you don't know, then now you know. Okay, so I do love burgundy. I love the subtleness of the color, and it just, I believe it like brings out your skin tone much better. So I went with burgundy. They only had 2 packs of burgundy, so I ended up getting the black, and I knew I wanted the burgundy in the front, so I used all of the back and all of the black in the back. Hey, all of the black in the back, and then I just filled in all of my front and whatever pieces I needed to put in the back with the rest of the burgundy. So yeah, I do have a short video just showing you guys how I put this hair in. You know how to crochet, you know how to do all that, but it's pretty much just showing you guys my braid pattern. It's not the typical like straight parts, but it's still the same pattern. So I'm still, I have about 10 braids in the front, and then the back is just, of course, you connect, for every 2 you connect to 1 big braid in the back. So about 5 braids in the back, 10 in the front. I just parted it differently because I wanted it to look like I actually did these individual instead of it looking like it was crocheted in. So I did the zigzag parting method in the front, and the middle I just put it straight down the middle. I didn't worry about zigzag because I'm not gonna ever wear it and as a middle part. I like my side parts, I love my side parts, so that's what we're gonna be going with. But it's been very like just carefree. Even my husband was like, ooh, that's different, and ooh, I like it, and I was like, ooh, thank you. So he really loved the locks, even with them being short like this. So I was like, you wouldn't mind if I, lock my hair? He's like, no, I just love the hairstyle on you. So yeah, that's a no-go. But yeah, I really love the fact that these are so natural. They have like a wave to it. It's very lightweight. I love the color, and the amount of time that it took me, it was about 3 hours, 3.5 hours. I plan on keeping these bad boys in for about, I guess, as long as it will let me. My least cutoff point is 6 weeks. The most I would do about 2.5 months. This is the hair. That is it, guys. So I don't think I have any cons or anything about this hair. Like I said, it did exactly what I wanted to do. I was actually going for like a bob-ish type of look slash hairstyle, and once I realized that these actually, once you put in your hair, you go from bottom to top, it already gives you like a layered effect. So I was like, hey, I'm gonna just leave it just like this. So and it gives like a natural luster to it. Yeah, so I'll just give you guys a close-up on the texture and like the the texture of this hair, so you can see like it doesn't look fake. It has that dullness to it that gives off that natural look. So even with the color, it just looks very like natural. So y'all know I'm always looking for a natural-esque type of hairstyle. If I'm gonna put weave in my hair, I want it to look natural as possible, you know what I mean? So yeah, that is it for this video. Go ahead and enjoy this video. If you have any questions, please leave them below, and like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Share this video. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can know when I post my latest videos. Whew. I said that in one breath. Okay, so yeah, guys, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel, and enjoy this video. All right, peace, love, and hair grease. Bye.